Sivakasi is a town located in the Virudhunagar district of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is well known for its fireworks and safety match industries, earning it the nickname Kutty Japan, which means Little Japan in Tamil. Sivakasi is a significant industrial hub in India, especially in the field of fireworks manufacturing. Fireworks industry. Sivakasi is renowned for its fireworks industry, which produces a large percentage of India's fireworks. The town is a major producer and exporter of firecrackers, sparklers, and other pyrotechnic products. The industry plays a significant role in the local economy. Safety match industry. Apart from fireworks, Sivakasi is also known for its safety match manufacturing industry. Sivakasi produces a substantial portion of India's safety matches, making it a vital contributor to the country's matchstick production. Education. Sivakasi is home to several educational institutions, including schools, colleges, and engineering institutions. It is an educational center in the region, providing education to students from nearby areas. Economy. The economy of Sivakasi is largely driven by the fireworks and matchstick industries. These industries provide employment to a significant portion of the local population. Additionally, printing and packaging businesses are also prevalent in the town. Festivals. Sivakasi is particularly lively during the Diwali festival, when the demand for fireworks is at its peak. The town is known for its grand celebrations during Diwali, with colorful fireworks displays lighting up the night sky. Safety concerns. Due to the nature of the fireworks industry, safety concerns have arisen in Sivakasi over the years. Accidents and fires have occurred in fireworks factories, prompting the government to implement stricter safety regulations. Geography. Sivakasi is situated in the southern part of Tamil Nadu, approximately 75 kilometers southwest of Madurai. The town is surrounded by hills and has a predominantly dry and hot climate, typical of the region. Cultural significance. Sivakasi has a rich cultural heritage, with temples and festivals that are an integral part of the town's identity. The Mariamman Temple and the Ayyanar Temple are among the prominent religious sites in the area. Sivakasi's fireworks and matchstick industries have made it a significant industrial center in India, contributing to the country's economy. However, the town has also faced challenges related to safety and environmental concerns associated with these industries. There are also several other attractions and places of interest to visit in and around Sivakasi. Here are some of the notable ones. Badrakali Amman Temple. Badrakali is a fierce manifestation of Parvati, the consort of Shiva. Badrakali Amman Temple is the most prominent landmark of Sivakasi. The tower or Rajagopuram of this temple has a breadth of 20 meters, width of 13 meters, and a height of 34 meters. Unlike other temples, the gopuram is not in axial direction towards the sanctum. The presiding deity, Badrakali Amman, is housed in a north-facing sanctum to the left of the gateway tower in a seated posture. The vimana of the shrine is plated with gold. There is a large temple tank and a bell tower located axial to the sanctum. Kasi Viswanathar Temple. This is one of the prominent temples in Sivakasi dedicated to Lord Shiva. It features intricate architecture and is an important religious site for locals and visitors alike. Mariamman Temple. This temple is dedicated to the goddess Mariamman, and it is known for its vibrant festivals, especially during the Tamil month of Adi. Ayyanar Falls. Located about 10 kilometers from Sivakasi, Ayyanar Falls is a picturesque spot surrounded by hills and greenery. It's a great place for a day trip and a picnic. Sivakasi Subramania Swami Temple, another important temple in Sivakasi. It is dedicated to Lord Murugan and is known for its grand festivals during Taipusam and Panguni Utharam. Sattur. Sattur is a neighboring town to Sivakasi and is known for its matchbox and safety matchstick industry. You can visit the factories to see the manufacturing process. Pilavakal Dam. Located around 20 kilometers from Sivakasi, this dam offers a serene environment and is a good spot for relaxation and boating. Shopping for fireworks. Sivakasi is renowned for its fireworks industry. If you visit around the Diwali season, you can explore the local markets and purchase fireworks and crackers. To reach Sivakasi, you have several transportation options depending on your starting point. Here are some common ways to reach Sivakasi. By air. The nearest airport to Sivakasi is Madurai Airport, which is approximately 75 kilometers away. You can book a flight to Madurai from major Indian cities and then hire a taxi or take a bus to reach Sivakasi. By train, Sivakasi has its own railway station, Sivakasi Railway Station. You can check the train schedules and book tickets to Sivakasi from major cities like Chennai, Coimbatore, and Madurai, which are well connected to Sivakasi by rail. By bus, Sivakasi is well connected by road, and you can reach there by bus. State-run buses and private bus operators offer regular services to Sivakasi from various cities and towns in Tamil Nadu. By car, if you prefer to drive, you can rent a car or use your own vehicle to reach Sivakasi. The town is accessible via National Highway 44, which connects major cities in Tamil Nadu. By taxi or cab, you can also hire a taxi or cab from nearby cities or airports to reach Sivakasi comfortably. Make sure to check the current transportation options and schedules, especially if you are traveling during holidays or peak season, as they may vary. It's also a good idea to have a map or GPS navigation to help you find your way to Sivakasi once you're in the vicinity.